18th November 2023 Darjeeling Day started. After Lamahata, we straight headed towards Darjeeling to our hotel Revolver. Due to Sikkim disaster, this year road is not that good yet. That was nature's call, what we can say. And everywhere this year we see Kanchenjunga in Darjeeling and from Kalimpong as well. Even in Shiliguri, we saw Kanchenjunga this year. From Lamata, we almost reached Darjeeling. So on the way, you can see glimpse of Kanchenjunga. I took this picture in mobile, so it was not that clear. And that is near railway station, Darjeeling railway station. Kanchenjunga is very clear. Since 2021, every year we are staying at Revolver only. So, Revolver. My mom was confused last year where we stayed. Actually, we stayed in same room. This John. John is a view room, of course. And one more thing I love about Revolver, this goodies. Every year we get it. Everybody get it actually. This is the view from Revolver, John. This is the view from John. We are staying here in John. So if its weather is clear, you can see Kanchenjunga from here also, from the room. And the best thing, always this hamper. I just love it. So the hamper is there. This is our Revolver. That's why we are coming here again and again. This is a covered area. It's there. Last year I found this Padma hotel which was really very good, a Bengali restaurant which my dad always like, even I also. So we went for a lunch. Padma hotel, egg thali, papad, rice, aloo bhaja, soybean curry, 2 egg curry in the platter, and dal. That is mixed pickle and that is tamarind pickle salad. As usual, my father was busy in eating, no doubt, and that was my platter, and it was not tikha at all. It's very good. We had our lunch over here. Winters that way, and Padma. And a mandatory picture, Hope Glenaries, and going towards the Mall area. That is Darjeeling Mall Road, and it's a huge one. When we came here last year 2021, this was in a making process. The building was not here, so right now it's a huge one, and there are lots of stores right now. I think that is going to be a shopping mall or something. Burger curtain is there, and these are still not built properly. So there, couple of hours back, I was in Kalimpong, and right now I'm in Darjeeling. So 18th of November 2023, we are in Darjeeling. I look like a taka. It's a selfie. Nothing related with Manipur, but we always buy gift from this store. They have a huge collection with a reasonable price. Whenever I come here, I buy this jackets and for my mother shawl and everything from this place, Manipur Handloom Store, that is in Mall Road, Asian Art Place. And then here it's very reasonable price and quality is good. And this is the first time I went to Goldentips. I never went before, and I bought some tea from there also. I did not attend the tea tasting one. Directly I bought tea leaf. This is Golden Tips, and I purchased some of the tea. So what I have, I had this blend of strong CTC Darjeeling leaf tea, which is 199, and Orthodox Fenian strong CTC 110. So this I had. Green tea I will buy later on. This is the first time I am here in Golden Tips because I am a tea person, not a coffee person. So that is Golden Tips. It's here, that is coming from the Mall Road, and it's just opposite of Fiesta restaurant, and beside Mall Town Outpost. So that is Golden Tips. Even I bought some tea leaves as a gift as well. This is the inside of Golden Tip. This is St. Andrew's Church, opposite of that Gorkha Land Territorial Administration here, and New Mohakal shifted in here. It's already sunset, so New Mohakal market is here. I'll just come later. So today I'm just watching it. It's shifted to Bhanu Bhavan, as they said. And that is Gorkha Territorial and Bhanu Bhavan. And suddenly I found this I love Darjeeling that's written over there. And mandatory click with my parents in the mall or mall area, and my click. We went back to hotel, and that's our dinner on 18th. That's Nepali Yahoko Thali. We choose the egg always, that's in Revolver. So this time the egg is uh, different, the taste is different. And this is kind of pickle, one kind of bhaji and sabji, fried potato, rice, we choose rice, and papad. So that is it for our dinner on 18th November 2023. Dinner, we always choose this Nepali Yahoko Thali in Revolver. It's really yummy. 19th November 2023, I woke up early from our room, John. Kanchenjunga is visible clearly. I am going outside. It's Revolvers and ground floor. That is Kanchenjunga. Uh, it will be hazy in mobile, but it was really good in good camera. So that is the view and beauty of this place. This is Hotel Revolver, and you can see it's very similar, like Eden is very similar like this. Upstairs, these are the rooms, and ground there is a family room, bigger one. Lots of trees. Entrance. This year in 2023, I saw the dining space over here. People can eat. I'll show you later. And that magnificent Kanchenjunga. I cannot do the close up right now. And that is my favorite spot. Flowers. And they have freshly ground coffees as well, which I always like. And tea is definitely good. I love this space or place, this area. Early morning. It's a relaxed route this year. This is the view of Kanchenjunga from Hotel Revolver. So that's why we are coming here again and again, and I will start the day tour in the next video.